Hello, this is Strang Pham, and I want to take you to go through my website. First, if you go to the home page, you're gonna see it's like growing succulent indoor, and it is the introduction of my page. Then when you go to the biography, you will see this is the short introduction about myself and my major and why I want to create this website for and what I'm passionate about. Next, if you go to the resources page, you're gonna see all the resources website that related to my major and related to the information that I'm talking about during my doing my websites. And when you go to the web 2.02, this is show all the device and all the apps along with all the website and the tool that I use to create this website, which is Google Drive, Google Site, Google Dot, Blogger, Twitter, Pinterest, Diego, and PPWork. And next, you go to the technology project, you will see two PowerPoint about the brief description of my website, which is shown here, and my inspiration and why I want to create this website. And down here is the LSU field trip, which contain all the picture that I took in LSU campus. Next, if you go to BLN BLE, you will see all the information about BLN, which is Personal Learning Network, and PLE, Personal Learning Environment. And here's how I build my professional network, which is contain blog, curation tool, microblog, and webinars. And next, I take you go through the video. I have nothing in here yet. And how about the mobile app? The mobile app I choose is Scratch JR, which is how teach kids about coding concept and practice. Both teach a fundamental of coding, like how to work through problems, create precise instruction, and use loops and other type of statement. Here I talk about like what is Scratch JR, how can it be educational, how can it, why I love it and stuff. And next is my digital story, which is the video I create about Arco explosions. It happened in Channelview, Houston, Texas in late 1990. It's really related to my major, which is chemical engineering, and I feel very interesting when doing this assignment about Arco explosions. And here's a website evaluations. I recommend the website, this website for K-12 classroom, the website about biology in motions. And next we're gonna go to Apple Teacher Certificate, and this is I successfully completed the Apple Teacher Certificate program for iPad. And here's a personal choice. It's contain all the resources which I like to provide for my student in this website, which is Gmail, gardening idea and tips, and AutoCAD format and window, Google Photo, dictionary, etc. And that's it. That is my website. Thank you for taking your time to looking at my websites.